Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio vintage watch model A168WEGB-1BEF. Let's get started. In 1974, the Japanese company Casio set a milestone in the history of watches by developing one of the world's first digital wristwatches. Why is Casio vintage so popular? These watches are designed to withstand extreme conditions, making them the go-to choice for outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and those with demanding lifestyles. Casio watches are built to last, and their reputation for reliability has solidified their popularity. The watch case and glass are made of resin. The bracelet is made of stainless steel. This model has standard features, 12 24-hour format, alarm, stopwatch, calendar, and backlight. The light on this watch is very good. The battery in this model lasts up to 7 years. The battery in this model lasts up to 7 years. A simple mechanism for opening and closing the watch bracelet. The watch can withstand minor exposure to water, such as accidental splashes or rain, but it is not designed for activities involving immersion or prolonged water exposure. It's essential to avoid submerging a splash-resistant watch in water to maintain its functionality and prevent potential damage. Casio vintage watches aren't large. The width of this model is 36 mm, with a weight of only 50 grams. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. How do you like this watch, and how would you rate it from 1 to 10?